everybody, come on in and say hi. So first things first, let me just kind of move these things to the side because I want to show you what you can do with these work forms on a regular wreath base. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and take our work form like so. Stick these edges out. Wonderful. Now I'm gonna find a space where I can draw a straight line down and there's nothing there. Right here, right in the middle. Okay. Well, actually, you don't need to go all the way around. Okay. So I'm gonna just take this on one side and clip it in the right down the 3, like so. Then I'm gonna open it up like a C just a little bit. Then I'm gonna stick that into my grapevine, like so. I'm gonna take my wire cutters though and bend this down so that it doesn't poke anything. Okay, so there we go. I do have it woven into the grapevine, but I'm also gonna extra secure it with a nice zippy tie right here around the center. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and we've got 1, 2, 3, call it 4. So we'll just need the 3 ruffles of each. 1, 2, and 3. All right, that to the side. And this one, do the same. 1, 2, 3. Cutting them roughly 20 inches. I don't measure, so this much. 2 and 3. It's gonna be a long one. 1, 2, and 3. Okie dokie. So now let's just alternate coming down the side with the 3 colors. We're going to do a little cruffle method. Place it in the pine tines. Doesn't this make easy work when you do it like this of mesh on a grapevine? And just start alternating the colors like so. All right. And there's 4 colors, so we'll just kind of ping pong back and forth. So pretty. Definitely a nice rustic glam Christmas look and feel going on here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my awesome sprays and go ahead and chop them up. Very good. All right, and then this guy too. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. Separate these 2. So let's get started filling this part in. We're gonna go ahead and start weaving these into the direction of the grapevine, like so, and having them dance in and around and through. Go ahead and grab my glue gun as I go. What I do to one side, I want to try to mirror on the other. So just come right up and under here. Start just doing the same, tucking them in. check it out. What I found. Okay. I have these snowflake sprays that are red that we're totally going to use in here because they're just so fun. I'm going to start with this because they're bigger and I want to see how much space they actually take up. Here we are. Love this. It just brought the whole thing to life. They are dancing out of here. Yes. Again, we're adding them kind of in the middle and having them pop through because these stems are long and they're not wired. So where they are is where they are. So if you want them to fall down or pop out, just be really mindful of their placement so that it lands where you want it to land. Putting a bend on that stem too, so just like I said, water falls right on out of here. So adorable. Glue those into place. I feel like I gotta have the red whimsies in there too. Okay, just the same. I'm gonna pop this in and have it dance around the different layers. Super fun. Look at the pop of just color that puts in there. Again, just kind of adding them towards the middle, and they're on long stems, so just pulling them through the different layers. Try a more central location for this one because we definitely have this over here and this over here, and I want it to balance a little better and not be too heavy in one element in one spot. Just a little rustic winter wonderland going on in here. I'm loving this so much. Let's add a bow. Okay, so I'm also going to put the tails up instead of down because I don't want them. We just made all this. I don't want to cover it up. So we're gonna basically make our bow turn upside down and have the tails coming out the top. Okay, or we can just kind of do it like this. Pinch it together. Make some loops here. Back to front. Pinch it together again. I love that. I think I'm gonna do 2 more loops that sit right on the inside of it. A small-ish bow, but it's fun. Perfect. Love it. Grab a quick little zip tie. All right, here we go. And ring that right around the middle. Lovely. And I'll just trim this real quick. We'll get this in here. We just made a really simple 4-loop bow. I'm just gonna flip it completely upside down so that the tails are up and don't get in the way. I'm gonna open these pine tines real quick and just add it to the middle. Here we go. Just like so. Awesome. Love this. So let me just pinch this together. Make a nice little dovetail. There we go. Love it. Ta-da! And now let's grab our little baby piece de resistance. The sweet baby cardinal. They're chunky. Look how cute he is. I love that he's on a clip because I can just pull this little stem up, make it like a little twig, and perch him right on in there. Just being cute and chunky as can be. And I think I need Mama kind of perched down here on this little branch because he's on a clip. I'm gonna perch Mama right there on this little branch. How cute cute this is. So sweet. Now, y'all made a great point. This ribbon is perfect. I'm gonna come down at the very bottom here and just start adding some of these tails to some of those work form twist ties. So I've got some extra space to do it. So let's do it. Awesome. When in doubt, add some tails. Against that bottom row, because I've got some extra space left over in these pine tines before I tuck them in. Just twisting that pine tine around this tail. There you go. Oh wait, yep.